We move on now to the travel tragedies making headlines. At least 9 American citizens have died in the Dominican Republic over the past year. The deaths have not been officially linked, but all of them appear to be medical in nature. New at 6 o'clock, we hear from a local woman who recently went to that region and says she felt ill following the trip. Channel 2 Sophia Ojeda joining us live right now with that woman's story. Sophia?
Bill, we spoke with one Houston area woman who says on her last trip to the Dominican Republic, she got so sick she had to be hospitalized. She says it was a nightmare and she's not going back. Chrissy Bernal and her family traveled to the Dominican Republic on a vacation. They stayed at a 5-star resort, swam in the pool, went to the beach, and had nice family dinners. It was a lot of fun until it wasn't.
Violently ill. It was like no warning, out of nowhere, and just did not stop.
Bernal said it was the end of the day when she started to feel sick, shakes, stomach pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. Her husband had to carry her to the resort clinic. They wanted to keep her, but instead her husband packed their bags and came home to Houston. She says she's a careful traveler. She still doesn't know what caused it.
Avoided ice, avoided like lettuce, things like that. I brushed my teeth with bottled water, washed my face with bottled water.
We spoke to a local travel agent over the phone who says it's not uncommon for people to get sick. The DR has a high rate of illness. As far as the 9 recent deaths in the Dominican Republic, she believes they are isolated incidents. Even so, the island is not at the top of the list of places to visit right now. There have been a total of 9 deaths on the island, 3 in the last month alone. The FBI is now assisting with toxicology exams. And less than 2 years ago, authorities shut down 5 labs manufacturing alcohol and seized more than 100 tanks full of liquid not fit for human consumption. And the State Department has issued a travel advisory. Here are some tips if you do go. Don't go out alone. Always be aware of your surroundings. Do not resist a robbery attempt if you ever find yourself in that situation. Do not wear expensive jewelry. Buy insurance through your travel agent, and that includes flying your body home if anything were ever to happen to you. The travel agent also wants to warn travelers about sea lice, food poisoning, and bacterial infections from the water. Again, in the tourism industry, it is known that the Dominican Republic has higher rates of illness. Reporting live in Southwest Houston, Sophia Ojeda, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Sophia, thank you.